Mulberry House has a double oven. It's located on the right side of the kitchen. With the oven, you'll see if it's turned on by the display being on here. If it isn't on, please look down to the left. Ensure that this switch is on here. The red light will be on if it is on. So the top oven can act like a grill or an oven, and it's controlled by the dials on the left hand side. And you can see it's the top oven because it has this top symbol. To use the oven, you just turn it knob to the right. See just on here, this turns on the light so you can see. If you wish for the oven to be heating top and bottom, just turn it to the setting. If you wish for the grill to be on, just turn it to the grill function. To set the temperature, you just turn this dial round up to maximum of 225 degrees here, and then for the grill, it just turns all the way around here, and that will activate how hot the grill will get. To turn it off, just turn it to the top part here. When it's on the oven function, if it's not to temperature, the red light will show, as of here. When it is at temperature, the red light will go off, showing that it's at that right temperature. When you finish, please make sure the dials are turned to the 12 o'clock position. If you want to use the bottom oven, the dials are on the right hand side, so it's similar. You've got this one activates the light. Then to use the fan oven, turn it to this position here, and then to set the temperature, you just turn this dial to desired temperature. The red light will come on, showing that it's heating, and when it's at temperature, that red light will go off. To turn off the oven, just turn it to 12 o'clock position and turn all dials to the 12 o'clock. And that's how to use the double oven. Thank you.